The Inside Track Summit is one of the greatest opportunities for 14 of our member institutions. It is allowing us to empower student success through strengthening capacity building for HBCU excellence and sustainability.
Capacity building focuses on the long-term growth and sustainability of our schools. The Student Success Summit is just one of many initiatives that we host throughout the year on topics such as enrollment, re-enrollment, retention, faculty and staff efficacy, and research.
One of the key investments made in this effort is to ensure this work can be scaled and sustained on our campuses. That involves a multi-pronged approach of training our administrators, advisors, those critical offices and departments on campus that students touch on a regular basis, empowering those leaders to connect with students in a way that allows them to be resilient and to take a sense of ownership around their education.
Everybody needs somebody to be there for them, especially when you're 18 to 22, 18 to 24 years old. The students are more than skilled and more than capable. They just need that person or persons to believe in them and to invest in their experience, and they'll be fine.
Inside Track has really supported us with capacity building and helping us really strategize around how does this initiative fit in with the university's strategic plan? How does it fit in with our divisional goals?
I see the initiative empowering our student success professionals on campus, as well as our first-year students, so that they move on to graduation.